Hey, I'm James from J Technology, and we are back here at CES 2016 at the Sands Convention Center. We are at the Basic6 booth, and they have 4 different products running or using Li-Fi for communication. And we have Victor Ansart. He's one of the engineers for the company, and he's going to basically explain their different products they have here. Victor?
So here, as explained, we have basically connected lights and Geo-Li-Fi lights. So these lights are connected to the internet, and we can remotely control them, turn them on, turn them off, dim them. And on top of that, not only are they remote controlled, but they're also Li-Fi enabled. So each light sends out a unique identifier, and using that unique identifier, we can use that technology for locating you indoors. So there's not many, there's a lot of indoor location technologies, but there's a lot of problems with the existing ones. They're either very expensive or unreliable. And Li-Fi for indoor location is the most inexpensive and most reliable way of having indoor location. And once you have indoor location, there's a bunch of applications that you can imagine. It could be very useful in retail for both helping clients find the products that they're looking for. It can be very useful also for the stores so they can see where their customers are going, the hot cold zones in a store. Other applications other than retail could be, for example, in warehouses for inventory tracking, or in secure areas to make sure that people aren't going into unauthorized areas. So once you have this indoor location technology that's reliable, then really there's a lot of applications that you could have with that.
And Li-Fi is just a way of communication. It's a lot faster than regular Wi-Fi.
Yes. So we have a more advanced version of Li-Fi where we have Li-Fi Net, where we can actually have internet going through the light. And in those situations, Li-Fi is significantly faster than Wi-Fi. The theoretical maximum speeds of Li-Fi are actually orders of magnitude higher than Wi-Fi. The maximum theoretical speeds of Wi-Fi is 1 to 3 gigabits per second, while a researcher was able to achieve speeds of 220 gigabits per second in the lab using Li-Fi. So much, much faster. And on top of the speed aspects, there's also some security aspects where light doesn't really go out of a wall. So with Wi-Fi, your neighbor can hack your signal, can hack your signal through the walls, while with Li-Fi that isn't possible. On top of that, Li-Fi doesn't have any electromagnetic emissions, so you couldn't put Li-Fi in areas where you previously couldn't put in Wi-Fi. So for example, planes, hospitals, areas with explosive atmospheres, areas where you really couldn't have Wi-Fi or is detrimental to either the people or the equipment. Now you can have wireless connectivity using the light in those areas.
So with this product, what we're looking at here is basically dimmable lights, or what are we actually seeing here?
Right in front of you, these lights are just used for geolocation, so they're not sending internet data right here. This is the most simplest version of our product. But not only are these lights sending out the position information, but they're also connected back to our cloud. Basic6 has a cloud to control Internet of Things devices, and through that we can remotely turn these devices on, off, dim them from anywhere in the world. So not only are they Li-Fi enabled, but they're also remote controllable.
Thank you, Victor.
You're very welcome.